to fix ADP mobile app not working. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix ADP mobile application not working issue. If you are facing this issue, then there are several steps that you can try to resolve this issue. First, ensure that you are connected to strong internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves connectivity issues. Also, a simple restart can often resolve many issues. You can hold down the power button and simply select Restart option. After that, check if that solves your problem. Also ensure that you have downloaded the latest version of ADP application on your device. To check that, you can open the Play Store of your device. Here tap on the search icon at the bottom right and in the search bar type in ADP mobile app. Now search for it. You will get the search results below. Here tap on the app icon to open it and inside it here look for update button. If you see the update button, simply tap on this update button and then wait until it successfully gets updated on your device. Once the update completes, you can go and log in to your account. But if you didn't see the update button here, that means your application is already up to date. Now you can go and clear the app cache. For that, scroll down from the top of your screen to access the notification panel and then tap on the settings icon at the top right. Once you reach to the settings page, here scroll down to find application option. Tap on it to open it and inside it here look for ADP mobile application. Once you find it, simply tap on it to open it and again inside here you'll need to look for the storage option. Scroll and look for the storage option. Once you find it, tap on it to open it and here in this page, you'll be able to locate clear cache option. Go ahead and tap on the clear cache. Once you tap on the clear cache option, this will clear all the cache and help you resolve temporary issues. Once after doing that, now you can go and check if the issue still persists. If clearing cache doesn't work, you will need to uninstall and then reinstall the application. For that, you will need to long press on the application on the home screen and then tap on the uninstall button. Tap on the OK from this pop-up to confirm. After that, the application will be successfully installed from your device. Once it gets installed from your device, now you will need to reinstall it. For that, you will need to open the Play Store of your device, tap on the search icon at the bottom right and in the search bar type in ADP mobile. Now search for it and once you get the application, tap on the app icon to open it. Inside it, here you'll be able to locate install button. Tap on the install button to reinstall the application. Now you will need to wait until the app gets reinstalled on your device. Once it gets successfully reinstalled on your device, you can go and open the application and log in with your credentials. After that, you'll be able to solve the issue. So, by following one of these steps, you should be able to resolve issues with ADP mobile app not working. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.